आता ह्यो जो वाली सर्कलच्यान जो सेंट जेसिंटो आयलंडाकडे रस्तो वयता तो दोन्ही सायडीनी इतले गार्बेज उडयल्ले आहा. हिप्स ऑफ गार्बेजीस इज देयर. फाउल स्मेल इज कमिंग and it is very difficult for the passers by. Morning evening people walking वयता तांकां कितेंच काय मेळना वचपाक सारकें. They go for fresh air and तांकां मेळटा तो foul smell. So this should be picked up immediately. And I think entire panchayat area they should take up for clearance of panchayat area, not door to door only collection. Roadside and other things they are not collecting. If they collect it from the give the tenders or contracts for clearing the entire area, I think that is better.
आमकां गार्बेजी लागून हांगा खूब त्रास जातात की हांगा गार्बेज उडयतात ती सकयल वयतात सकयल्यान मागीर ती व्हांवून उदकान वयता उदकांतल्यान सगळें पोल्युशन जाता आनी आमकां अशें येतना वतना खूब हेंचो वास येता आनी हो कचरो आमी आमचो लोकली कोण उडयना दुसऱ्या एरियेचो हाडून हांगा कचरो उडयतात ते हेका आतां ते आमचे पंचायतीन कितें हेजें एक्शन घेवपाचें अशें आमकां दिसता.
Okay, I am the local resident here, and we have seen that in the recent months this area has become a dumping area, garbage dumping area. We see that the college students, the school students are passing from here, the international people are coming here, but when they come out from the airport and they see this, a different picture of Goa is being portrayed, and it is a very bad signal for all the Goans, and I request the panchayat to please look into the matter. We have seen that a lot of accidents have taken place because of the garbage. A lot of dogs and pigs running around, and the cows are also here. And it is a very sharp turn. And you can see here it is all just a dumping area. The garbage collecting vehicles go from here, but they just ignore this place. And last term जसं आमचे सरपंच आशिल्ले ताणें खुबशे हांगा काम केल्लें, but nothing has been followed out for this. I request the sarpanch to please look into the matter, and it is a very dirty place. And सगळे सकयल गांव आसा तेन्ना पावस पडटा हे सगळं गार्बेज सगळ्या गांवांतल्या व्हाळांनी वता, and it is becoming the table water has been also polluted. So it is creating a very bad image and a very bad. It is going to never know. We might come up with different epidemics here to the people staying down. So I request the people who are watching. So now, if you see here, all the mall bags are here, and all educated people stay here. So it is they only who are coming here and dumping. So I request them also to please follow the Swachh Bharat that is going on.